Hi everyone, Toy Collector TV here, and can you believe it's finally Christmas Eve? So that means we're opening the very last day of our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, day 24. Can't wait to see what we get on our very last day. Oh, awesome! Looks like we got some more Christmas presents. This box is huge, and there's an awesome camera so the girls can take pictures of each other. They got ice skates! How awesome! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this last day of the Advent Calendar. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope that everyone has a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.